Hi guys, so today I'm going to share to you the first step of verification process sa Poly English, which is the basic information. But before that, you can click the link below if you want to apply. That's my referral, so you can use it. Okay, thank you in advance. So, kapag na-click nyo na yung link dyan sa comment section is madadirect kayo sa website ni Poly and meron lang kayo doong basahin na parang ano siya, agreement, and then just click the accept button, and meron din doong nakalagay if yung link ko ang ginamit nyo is may nakasulat na your friend, Teacher Diana, invited you to teach on Poly English. So, ayun. And then, below that is may makikita kayo na kailangan yung ilagay yung active na email address. Okay, email address active. Okay, because meron silang isasend na verification code. Tsaka, ayan, after ng verification code is ilagay mo yung password mo and then just click sign up. So, after you sign up, is madadirect kayo doon sa website nila ng 5-step verification process ni Poly English. And then, first is the basic information. So, what are you going to do in the basic information is you need to have a photo, like the profile photo. It will serve as your profile picture. Okay? And the parents can see it. And the face should be in the center. Okay, pwede kayo mag-smile, pwede kayo mag-makeup, but hindi naman yung over. Kasi yung sa akin is may filter. So, ayun. So, pwede siya. Walang accessories. Okay, avoid wearing accessories, gano'n. And, dapat yung background is simple lang. If possible, white background. Okay? Second is the gender, your gender, female or male, and your full name, first name, middle name, and last name. So you also need to provide telephone number, your nationality, your current location, and the time zone. So you also need to provide your highest level of education, okay? So meron din doong ilalagay mo yung teaching company you currently working or yung sa previous na company mo. Pero in my case, I don't have any experience naman sa online teaching. So meron doon nakalagay na I don't have any online teaching experience. So yun lang yung kinik ko. And then, years of teaching experience. May nakita ako na ibang video, wala silang mga teaching experience, pero meron, nilagay lang nila doon na, ano, ang minimum kasi dito is 2 years. So, maybe you can try, just type 2. Okay. Anyway, years of teaching experience naman siya. Years of teaching experience, not online teaching. Ako, so if meron kayong WhatsApp ID, you can enter it, but hindi naman siya required talaga. And then, do you have any teaching certificate? So, yung sa akin is both government-issued certificate and ESL certificate. Yung ESL certificate ko na TESOL certificate is kakakuha ko lang yun, guys. Yun yung pinost ko before na kung sino ang gustong sumali. Ayun. But, don't worry because meron namang nakalagay doon na I don't have any teaching certificates. So, pwede mo lang yun siyang i-click. So, di ba, na-click nyo na yun. For example, wala kayong teaching certificates. So, need nyo pa rin mag-upload ng any document. So, meron doon nakalagay na teaching license, and then, merong teaching license issued by school or other institution. Maybe, you can use your any certificates, or I don't know, here, I'm not sure here. But just try if you have any teaching license na any certificates, okay? Any certificates. Or maybe yung sa practical ninyo, ganon, o just try it. And then, you have to upload your resume. Yung resume ko lang, simple lang masyado siya. Hindi siya bonggang-bongga na Basta yung simpleng resume lang. So, ayan. And then, you can click submit. Okay? So, yan, magpo-proceed kayo sa next na naman na step. So, I'm going to end this already because parang ang haba na. So, ayan. Please use my referral code. Thank you.